When it comes to property management software, Rent Manager is one of the most popular options out there. But before you buy, here are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're a property manager, investor, or landlord, it's important to understand how Rent Manager compares to its competitors. First thing you need to know is that Rent Manager offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your properties, including accounting, tenant and lease tracking, and maintenance management. While some competitors may excel in specific areas, Rent Manager's all-in-one approach can help you save time and money by centralizing everything in one platform. Next thing to consider is its user interface. While it has a lot of features, some users find the interface a little overwhelming at first. If you're looking for something more intuitive or user-friendly, competitors like Buildium and Appfolio might have the edge in terms of simplicity, but Rent Manager's robust feature set makes it a solid choice once you get the hang of it. The third thing is its customization options. Rent Manager allows you to tailor the platform to fit your needs with customizable reports and workflows. This flexibility is a big selling point if you have specific business requirements, whereas other platforms may not offer as much room for customization. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. Rent Manager operates on a per-unit pricing model, which can be great if you have a large portfolio, but it might feel a bit expensive for smaller property managers. If you're just getting started, alternatives like Cozy or Tenant Cloud may offer more affordable entry points. Next up is customer support. Rent Manager has a solid reputation for providing strong customer service with 24/7 support and extensive resources like video tutorials and documentation. However, if immediate, personalized help is a top priority, you might find platforms like Appfolio provide faster responses for urgent issues. The sixth thing is mobile access. Rent Manager has mobile apps, but users sometimes report that they're not as polished as the desktop version. If you rely on your phone or tablet for day-to-day management, you might want to check out alternatives like Buildium, which has a smoother mobile experience. The seventh thing to know is integrations. Rent Manager offers a wide range of integrations, including with accounting software, payment processors, and marketing tools. If you need to connect your property management software with other systems, Rent Manager's flexibility in this area is a big plus over some other platforms that offer fewer integrations. Next is security. Rent Manager follows industry standards to ensure the safety of your data, but if data security is a top concern for you, you may want to look into the specifics of what each platform offers. Competitors like Appfolio also place a strong emphasis on security, with some offering additional features like identity theft protection. The ninth thing to consider is reporting. Rent Manager has a strong reporting feature that allows you to generate detailed financial reports, track cash flow, and manage expenses with ease. While competitors like Buildium also offer reporting tools, Rent Manager's customization options give it an edge in this area for more advanced users. The 10th thing is scalability. Rent Manager is designed to handle everything from small portfolios to large multi-property operations. If you plan to grow your portfolio in the future, Rent Manager's scalability is a big advantage over some simpler platforms that may not be able to keep up as you expand. Next, consider the learning curve. Rent Manager's range of features can make it complex, especially if you're not familiar with property management software. While some users may find it a bit challenging to learn, Rent Manager's comprehensive training resources can help you get up to speed faster than some competitors. The 12th thing you need to know is its reputation. Rent Manager has a solid track record in the property management industry, but it's not without its criticisms. Some users report occasional glitches or bugs in the software. That said, Rent Manager continues to be a reliable solution for many, and it's worth considering if it fits your needs. To wrap up, Rent Manager is a solid, feature-packed option for property management, especially if you need a customizable, scalable solution. But if you're looking for a more intuitive, cost-effective option with a smoother mobile experience, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.